You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.
Shauna, tell me what's going on with your jaw.
Unfortunately, I've had jaw pain and clicking for about 4 years, clicking on the left and on the right, and it eventually turns into a whole headache on this whole side of the jaw and forehead area.
How much pain from 0 to 10?
When my jaw is in this position, it's not bad, but when I open it all the way, it turns into like 3, 4.
Okay.
And then the more I'm doing that, if I'm eating or chewing a lot, that turns into, just gets worse from there.
And what's going on with your neck?
My neck is really tight. I haven't been stretching.
So you said that you've been having this issue for 4 years. What kind of treatment you had before?
I've been to a couple chiropractors, a couple PTs, mostly keys and eyes, which helped, but didn't really resolve the problem.
Okay, so I'm going to take your range of motion. Everything we do here should not aggravate your symptoms, okay? And let me know if you feel any pain. Do you have a headache today?
Not right now. Yesterday was terrible. I really came in yesterday.
But most of you are you open, and you feel that you have limited range of motion.
Yeah, especially yesterday. I was trying to eat a taco.
Bring me here the taco if you cannot hear it. Sit up nice and control on the side. Shot. Let's see. So you're currently almost 32, 34, 32. Okay. So you usually open much wider, or the normal 35 to 45? Are you limited by 25%, 50%?
Usually when it's hurting, I don't know if it's me or if I'm clenching.
Let me see your range of motion. Left and right rotation. Okay. That's tight here. Extension, flexion, side bend, left and right. Where do you feel the tightness?
Most of it's side bending and extension.
Have you had any accidents or trauma?
No trauma.
Falls or anything
Just
like that?
stress.
No pain or did it pain to the neck or anything? Okay. Lie on your back, get here. Scoot down. Scoot up toward me. Feel
A little.
Feel this long position here.
Yeah, on the right.
Yeah.
It gets worse the longer you press on it.
Yeah. And let's go. Now work on the deep flush. Let's call this E5. Let me know if you feel clean, okay? How does it feel?
Good.
Let me know. You usually have urine motion on the wide side or the small side?
Wait, limited range of motion on the right or the left?
No, I mean your mouth opening.
Yeah.
The normal is 35 to 45. So your normal is around 45 or less, or 32.
I haven't measured in a long live.
Is it too much? Okay.
It hurts, so
Make sure it's not aggravating your symptoms.
okay.
How does it feel now? Can you tell the difference?
So yeah, it's not a speed bump anymore.
Is it the clicking on the left and the pain on the right? How does it feel?
Good.
Any discomfort here? Like this? Tender here?
Yeah.
Neck tight. Okay, for the neck tightness, I get it to close part. I will have you sit facing this way. Your tightness more here on the right side. Can you move your head to the side?
I have a scrunch.
You just graduate recently?
Yes.
Beautiful. Let me know if that's too much here.
That's good.
You feel this
I feel it.
tightness here?
Yeah.
That's too much.
It's a little much.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Or like now?
That's good.
How does it feel now?
Better.
Can you tell the difference? Let's see if you have another spot. This one here. Another one next to it here. Okay, this one, see. Okay. Go.
No, that's good.
All
I broke
right.
it.
Technical difficulty. All right. Do you broke it?
I have a tough muscle.
How does it feel?
Better.
Okay. Open your mouth and tell me. Can you tell the difference?
Yeah. Feels better.
Yeah.
To be able to open it a little more.
Okay. Where do you feel the tightness now? Just open it and tell me what is
It's
the
just
tightness.
straight. Here.
In that spot. Okay, let me break. Okay. Let's scoot down. Let me know if it's too much. Okay. So Open your hand.
It's so much better.
Okay. You feel that's fully in range of motion now?
Yeah, I think so. This feels a lot better.
Look at this. It's 46. It was 32.
Ah.
46, that's your norm.
Wow,
Yeah.
46.
Yeah.
What was it before?
32.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think about Aster treatment?
I love it.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Especially in only a few minutes.
Yeah.
I wish I did this ages ago.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.